Hey there, it's Heidi with Core Strength and Performance, and today I'm going to show you how to make an app from your nutrition program. So first things you're going to do is you're going to open up your email from PN. When you open up that email on your phone, it's going to lead you to your login. So this is what it should look like once you log in, get all your information there. Now when you're in this area right here, and this is an iPhone, you're going to tap this little button right here. You're going to move it over to Add to Home Screen. You're going to click that, change the word to whatever you want it to be. So we can just put PN here. Well, I think I put APN. We'll put PN right here. Then you're going to add, and what happens is it's going to add it right to your home screen. So if you notice right here, and this is my current one that I have, but it'll have it just like an app on your phone. So you don't need to open it up every time when you got to access it from your email. Hope that helps you out.